Hello everyone and welcome to Fem Frequency. In a world where social media is taking over, we thought it would be fantastic to have a conversation with someone who is a mum, a wife, a registered nurse, and above all, a content creator. Please welcome Narisha Hurling-Claassen.
Come on, welcome Narisha. Welcome.
Thank you.
Narisha, I think the first question on everyone's mind is where and how did it start?
Actually, I think it's about 7 years ago.
Wow.
And it started as me just posting because Facebook at that time was my biggest memory card, and that's the reason why I posted there, just to showcase my kids, my family, and I started tagging brands, and I started getting noticed. It's literally like that. I just posted for myself because you can always go back to the archives on Facebook,
Yeah.
get all your old photos. But brands started reaching out, and I didn't even know what Instagram was about. I don't think Instagram
Existed.
was Instagram
Yeah.
at that time. And even like later on, I started posting on Instagram, and that's where the brand collapse happened.
Wow.
Absolutely fantastic.
And you make it sound so easy, and it's probably not.
It's not.
Yeah, probably a lot of hard work. But before we get into all of that, I mean, we know the role of being an influencer or content creation. I mean, we see the role, right? It's posting your life, it's posting everything you do. But what is your sort of reason behind it? Like, why all of this?
Okay, so like I said, I just started posting because people tend to relate to bigger families. En baie keer het ma's altyd gesê soos jy laat dit so maklik lyk of ek wou opgee want ek sukkel net met een kind, but watching your videos gives me hope. It inspires me
yes.
to actually do better.
And Narisha has 4, eh?
4. It
Yeah.
looks like 1, but she has 4.
Ek tel shame, ek tel eintlik nie meer vir Tarika, hy's 'n teenager, hy
Ja.
kyk na homself. So dis 3 klikkies, maar ja, dis hoekom ek dit doen om mense te inspireer. En dit is nie net vir my meer, en dis hoekom ek altyd sê ek post as is, because I don't want to create an expectation, en as iemand voel, maar dis nie hoe hulle dit doen nie, then they feel like hulle fail. Dis wat ek altyd sê, so mense kan letterlik relate. As ek vandag voel ek het die lus vir aantrek of ek het die lus om skoon te maak, is ons reality, is dit okay? En is vir my moet dit okay wees om vir 'n ander maar daai te kan gee en sê, you know what, as jy nie vandag kan opstaan nie, it's fine, môre is nog 'n dag. En dis waarmee hulle relate.
That's so special, yes.
I want to ask something on that. So do you post the bad days? Do you
I do.
post the bad
Dis-
stuff?
Jy sal sien my vlogs is baie die mekaar. Even
Okay.
though van buite af sal mense sê like it's not even chaotic in the mornings, maar dit is vir ons miskien, maar ek sê altyd my golden rule, and Dawn knows this, is prepping the night before. Dit is wat vir ons so bietjie meer sanity gee, maar dis nie altyd sonskyn en rose nie. Hulle huil, hulle skel, hulle baklei.
It's just
Maar
a
dis-
normal
dis-
household.
yeah.
It's just a normal household. And I think that is the prepping before is actually a fantastic tip for a new mum.
Yeah.
I was actually thinking when we were at, was it Stellenbosch Wine Road a week ago? I did the exact same thing and I thought, jy is nie eens by die huisie, maar ek is nou so al ingestel dat ek
It's a discipline.
in die kas waar ek hulle suitcases uitgehaal het ek elkeen se kleertjies vir die volgende dag al reg gesit. En dit werk net
Yes.
vir ons. Dis something so small, maar dit save ons soveel tyd.
Yeah, I know. I did exactly the same thing when my kids were small. My kids aren't small anymore. Thank you. But I did exactly the same thing, and also with prepping the food boxes, the
Yes,
lunch boxes,
yes.
and things like that. It just makes life a little bit easier.
Yeah.
The next thing that I want to know is there any part of your life that you feel you need to protect from your audience? And why do you feel like that?
Natuurlijk my familie, but also I've been posting them. Mense het my kinders sien groot raak letterlik. Maar wat jy daar sien is nie altyd of ek laat jou sien wat ek wil hê jy moet sien. So vir my familie is nog steeds vir my die mees kosbaarste ding wat ek wil beskerm. Soos ek gemention het, the evil eye is real. So ek trek myself, my familie, my kinders net soveel meer onder die bloed because I'm putting them out there. En jy weet die iemand is soos ons is bly vir jou, maar hulle is nie eintlik nie. So dit is vir my baie belangrik om hulle te beskerm. En as hulle nie wil deel wees even van 'n campaign nie, I'm not going to force them.
Yes.
Especially
Okay.
Tariq, and that's why people don't see Tariq much. A lot of people ask, especially on TikTok, but where's Tariq?
I've
En ek het die
noticed.
ander dag gesê, jy moet bietjie video's aan my kom maak en die mense sê dat jy's nog groot en
Yes,
as jy
yeah.
nie wil deel,
It's a
dus ek gaan
teenage
nie jou
thing,
nie
eh?
forceer nie.
Yeah, it's a teenage thing. I remember when my kids hit the teenage stage also, I wasn't allowed to take photos of them anymore. I mean, they're adults now, but they're still like that. Why?
Yeah.
Why must we take a photo?
Yeah.
What you going to do with the photo? Post it on Facebook. So it is a stage that they get into, and I think we have to respect that.
Yes.
What does your children think? What do they think about
Yeah.
mommy being a celebrity?
Yeah, it's very funny.
We get free
But
stuff.
yes, so whenever they see a box, they'll be like, did you create a video? Can I Are you done shooting your content? Can we open this? So, hulle weet al. En hulle is so oulik. Like the other day when we did the Tyler Bed campaign, me and Tova. So I kind of give them, but almal sien altyd vir Ty, the 60-60 guy. So everyone knows Ty and I'm like,
I saw
Shay,
that.
kom ons vat bietjie vir Tori. So Tori went with me to the Ackermans event and he was so scared of Tom and Jerry. I'm like, why didn't I just take Ty? Because I thought Ty's energy is too much, maar nou het ek die energy nodig.
Yeah.
So hulle weet, en again, as hy nie lekker voel daaroor, gaan ek hom nie forceer nie. I just let him be en dus skiet ek my content al aan en later het hy in het geëase. Maar wat ek wou sê is dat Tauwa met die Dialabet thing, sy is nou maar net 'n bubbly person soos ek. So ek het vir Junaid gesê, just mic her up. We're not going to give her a script or anything, just let her be and we use what we can.
But she's a
And it
natural.
was perfect.
Yeah.
Can I
Because
just-
it was a real reaction.
Yeah.
Like, wow, bouncy on the bed and I love this bed and I want this one. So we used that and,
Yeah.
and dis ook dit vir hulle, dit moet nie vir hulle voel hulle werk nie.
Okay. Do you, because I feel like there's also a lot of bad press around, you know, making children work and people are saying it's child labor and all of that. But do you see it because it's becoming the norm? And maybe that's why it's just so natural for your kids. I mean, like you said, just mic her up and there she goes. Do you think that's the next generation? Like they're just going to be so comfortable with it?
is. And Tauwa, to be honest,
Yes.
she's struggling a bit at school. And her confidence was the one thing that was lacking. And since he's been doing the campaigns and stuff with me, gaan het beter.
Oh, wow.
So it's definitely, I always think about, you know, TK. She always used to, she posted the old report where the teacher wrote that she's too bubbly and all of that. And now she's a presenter,
Yes.
a MC and all of that. So hierdie goed kan jou mold om
Yeah.
vir jou toekoms, you know,
Yeah.
wat jy eendag wil word.
Yeah. I love the fact that you mentioned that because there's a good, all the bad things that you're mentioning, there's a good side to it too. And I think which leads me to busting some myths, you know, about we see all the nice things you all do and the places you go and the things you eat. Let's bust the myth. This is not hard work. What do you have to say about
Oh my
that?
word. It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
I said I must start posting BTS so people can see the hours, the many takes, the 100 photos to get the perfect one. What actually goes into that 60-second video they see on Instagram or on TikTok.
I mean-
It's a lot of work. And then you get the brands. You still have to send your stuff and it's not just, you have to send it in. They first have to approve. And if not, you must be prepared for reverts. You must be prepared to maybe even
Do it
reshoot.
again?
So
Okay.
yes, it's a lot.
Wow. Okay. So run me through you coming back from work, and you can maybe tell us more about that, and then going to your second job of content creation.
I love it. So, omdat ek dit love, voel dit nie soos werkie. So ek sien dit nie eers as werk nie. Honestly, content creation is my happy space. Ek is net hoe ek agter die kamera, voor die kamera, want ek vat foto's ook, ek
Ja.
doen soms ander se video's en goed. Ek love dit net. So dis verskriklik baie werk, maar ek het nou half soos 'n schedule en op my notes sal ek altyd sit, want ek vergeet so baie goed, maar dan sal ek altyd sit wat die dag moet doen. En ek sit tyd uit vir my editing, ek sit tyd uit om invoices uit te stuur, om op te volg op e-mails. So dis nooit.
It's an entire
My man
business.
het in die begin altyd gesê, like, kom slaap jy so laat, like, even when I'm off, en vir my is dit die beste tyd om my voice-overs te doen, want die kinders slaap, niemand
It's
raas nie.
quiet, yes.
I have to or sit in the car, or I must wait till everyone's asleep, en ek moet letterlik tot die yskas afsit en eet sout. So dis nie so maklik soos dit lyk nie, maar ek love wat ek doen, en ek het my way gevind om beide te juggle. En ek beplan natuurlik my goed om my werk en die andersom nie.
Yeah, I can attest to that. I've dipped my feet into a little bit of content creation, little bit, and it's damn hard work.
Yeah. No, I believe you.
And it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time, and I think it's difficult if you have to do it on your own. If you've got a team, I mean, fantastic.
Yeah.
That's why I am so grateful for our team because we will never be able to do it completely on our own. But I want to know which relationship or space in your life suffered the most because of your online creation.
I think friendships, like I said, this is a beautiful space, but it can also, there's a lot of jealousy, which is normal, I guess, but friendships, not even the ones that's content creators, my normal friends, they don't understand what it's about. And to some, it might look like, yeah, I feel quiet. And that's not the case. Or you'll be like, can't you engage on my things? And you'll feel like, my own friend's not supporting me. And this is my business, this is my brand. As dieselfde soos as ek nie by jou ietsie gaan koop wat jy verkoop het. Dis net dat suffer baie keer baie meer as enige ander relationship, as vriendskappe.
It's so strange that you're saying that now. Actually, just yesterday I posted on my WhatsApp status, I posted a little tagline that says, you have a coffee shop and your friend is standing with a Starbucks in
I
hand
saw that.
asking you how your coffee shop is doing. And it's exactly that. It's
Enough
exactly that. I don't like your posts, I don't engage, I don't leave a comment, but I've got everything to say about you and what you are doing.
Exactly.
So something there for the people outside. Just
Maar
please
dat
give
mense
space to
voel jare
everybody.
op jou tande, honestly, ek het net op 'n punt gekom waar ek nie meer, if my content doesn't serve you, it doesn't align with you, it's okay to scroll by. But then you see that same person in someone else's post, someone they don't know them, and you're like, aren't you my friend?
Yeah.
Exactly.
So
It hurts a little.
Dit doen.
Ja, it
Dit doen.
hurts
En
a
ek het
little.
wanneer gesê as baie small businesses will reach out and they'll be like, can't you reshare this or promote this? En ek gaan nie almal charge vir iets nie, vir al die klein besigheid nie. So I'll post it, en soms post ek iets omdat ek sommer wil, but then I think, jy is nie in my comments nie, veral nie met my paid work nie, you're not in my likes or shares. So dit gaan both ways, want dit
Exactly,
is ook
yes.
my business, dit is my brand. So ek het op die punt gekom waar ek net dit nie meer doen nie. Unless I really want to.
Yeah.
Dis fine.
It's a lot. I'm literally processing all of this. And I'm going to ask the question that I think everyone wants to know. So when do you start making money?
Listen.
Where does the money come rolling in?
Dit is die beauty van het als. Mense dink jy moet soos 100,000 followers
Yes.
hê. Brands don't go for that anymore. Hulle soek authenticity, en dis die nice ding van brands deesdae, dat hulle gee nog steeds briefs, maar dis totally up to you, want hulle wil fresh, authentic content, soms non-edited, as is sien, en dit is eintlik makliker, want nou gee dit mos nie jou
Yes.
baie werk nie, maar omdat hulle het jou gekies, van hulle het jou gesien, jy post hierdie tipe vlog, so hulle weet, dis wat jou audience love, so kom ons sit dit in 'n campaign, maar ons doen dit steeds op jou manier. So dis die nice ding van content.
So would you say someone that's starting out and they on 2,000 followers?
Nee,
Is it possible to make money?
Absoluut. Minder as
Seriously?
2000. Ja.
Okay.
Kyk, brands, ek het begin met trade exchanges, en ek sê altyd vir almal, ek dink dis die beste manier om te begin, om jouself te familiarize met briefs en hoe om te execute en al hierdie goed wat brands doen. Ek sê altyd brand advisor, is die een ding wat ek altyd vir mense sal sê, of beauty bulletin, waar om te begin. Want dan prep jy eintlik jouself, so jy werk miskien vir net, die trade is miskien worth it, because ek het die eerste keer dat ek soos 'n selfoon gekry wat ek vir my ma kon gegee het. So it's not as fair trade. So jy kan nou besluit of jy wil of nie wil nie. Maar soos wat jy jouself daar buite sit. Ek sê mos altyd ek vra as ek wil uittrek na 'n brand toe, then I do so. 'n Brands don't know about me if I'm not going to put myself out there. So mens moenie bang wees nie. So ja, die brands gaan jou begin sien. Jy trek al doen jy nou daai ding met Sasco en jy kaas op ons dan trek jy vir Gouda ook. Hulle gaan dit sien.
Ja.
Môre het hulle campaign en hulle like, ons eintlik gelaf wat ons gesien het van hierdie kreate.
Ja.
En 'n secret, hulle begin meer werk met kleiner kreates, natuurlik vir hulle minder, maar hulle engagement is soms of beter of dieselfde as 'n groot creators in.
Can I
Want jy het
say-
'n authentic audience wat
Definitely.
actually hulle clients gaan word.
Definitely. I've seen certain posts where the following is less, but the engagement on the post, it's on fire.
Yes, hulle kyk glad nie meer
Ja.
na die following nie, maar jou engagement, ja.
Okay.
So dis hoekom consistency is baie belangrik. Mense raak al moeg ek post elke dag al is dit net 'n foto, maar ek probeer consistent bly.
Dis
Every
iets,
single
ja.
day.
Want mense kan regtig sien, ek met drafts lyk soos ek hoef fees content te skiet, dis altyd content. Dis klop content in my
That
drafts.
is something that I struggle with.
I bet. The one thing also, because ek gaan nie elke dag make-up doen nie. If I know I have like 4 campaigns, ek gaan uit 4 outfits change vir die dag, maar ek gaan nie 4 keer make-up doen en hare doen en goed. Then you know it's done. So it's
Wow.
drafted. Whenever the deadline's due, then you just post. So dat raak, jy begin hierdie goed vir jouself aanleer en dan raak dit makliker.
I struggle with that. I think I just told you before we started. I love doing an outfit of the day.
Yeah.
But some days I'm in my PJs already, in my bed, and I realize, oops,
Yeah,
you look so
yeah.
lovely and you never did an outfit of the day.
I used to love doing the get ready with this, maar as mens uitgaan is dit so gerush, dat as die tyd is so ek doen ook nog net vir chic.
I don't like the get ready with me.
Dit is
That's
ook
too
nie
much
pas-
trouble.
Ek was nooit lief vir TikTokie. Ek het altyd gevoel mense is bietjie baie harsh op TikTok.
Really?
Baie, maar again, aardig gegroei met tande.
They don't mind telling you exactly how they feel.
Okay.
En dis mos altyd hulle wat skuil agter 'n user, what. It's never a
User
face or nothing.
93157.
So ek het agtergekom dat die TikTok groei verskriklik vinnig en ek het nooit gedink die potensiaal van meeste van my campaigns kom eintlik van TikTok af. So I charge for TikTok and I charge for Instagram. And if a brand wants both, then they pay me for both.
Okay.
So that's a cross-posting payment work. There's so many things that creators of today don't know. And I feel like sometimes brands take advantage. Want hulle sal ook nie vir jou sê dat daar they will ask, can we use this on YouTube as an ad? Dis usage fees wat daarmee gepaard gaan. En
So you charge extra.
you charge extra. You ask them for how long is it going to run as an ad, and then you charge them for 30 days, 2 weeks, whatever. En brands weet nie altyd, hulle vat 'n kans, so if they know, you know, dan
They
betaal
won't.
hulle dit baie
Yes,
maklik.
yes,
Alle
yes.
brands het geld. There's a budget for everything.
Ja.
So hulle kan net negotiate. Ek sê altyd vir my vriende ook, moenie bang wees, know your worth. Jy weet mos wat jy na die tafel te bring. Moenie bang wees om te vra of om te negotiate. Hulle kan net nee sê of julle kan ooreenstem, maar vra wat jy dink jy werk.
You know, actually, I want to say, answered the next question that I have, but I'm going to ask it in any case. Some tips for people who are starting out. Just a few tips, what they can do, what they shouldn't do, things like that.
Ek wil eintlik sê daar is iets van wat hulle nie moet doen nie. Start posting for you. Nie oor gaan ek 1000 likes of 1 like kry nie. The right brand will notice you. Die regte campaigns gaan op jou pad kom. So wees net jouself. Authenticity is al wat alle brands deesdae soek. Natuurlik met briefs en goed, dit soms het jy 'n skrip en jy moet 'n certain way act of aantrek of whatever, maar 'n brand het uitgereik na jou vir 'n rede. They loved you for your content. Alles is content. So mense moet
Literally.
niks overthinking. Like just post. That's what I do. My TikTok is baie neer mekaar. Ek weet nie of nog gesien. Like I post everything. I don't want to narrow myself down to a niche. mense het mos 'n niche en ek kan
Ja.
nie die, because I do motherhood fashion travel deesdae, so ek wil nie myself narrow
Punt.
down,
Ja,
ja.
ja.
Maar my advies is, en ek wil mos hierdie workshop begin doen, ek voel
Okay.
net,
Tell us
ons
a little
almal-
more.
ja,
Tell us
Ek
more.
voel, ek het dit so lank thought gegee eintlik. Iemand of baie mense vra gereeld in my DM's, hoe begin hulle? Party mense is baie bang om op mense te post, want hulle almal sien dit mos nou. So nou sal hulle jou DM en vra maar, hoe begin ons? And I actually started with, I think it's a 4-minute, if not a 6-minute video that I drafted on TikTok, and I thought, no man, don't post it yet. Maybe a teaser and ask who's interested, en dan kan jy begin deur iets te doen, because ek voel, almal het 'n phone.
Ja.
So, hoe communicate, ons almal kan shine, ons almal kan 'n extra income maak. Want dit is regtig so maklik.
I want to sign up. Joe, you want to sign up?
I mean, yes, I must just work on the
Yeah,
discipline
so
of
because-
saving all of this drafts and all of that.
Nou sê
Yeah.
ek gister het my vriendin eintlik vir my gesê, toe ek ook was sê, ek weet ek is nie baie groot nie, maar ek het al baie geleer along the way. Toe sê sy, hou op sê is die groot nie,
Ja.
want jy is.
Ja.
So ek
Yeah, I
wil-
want
Yeah.
to say in our community, you are.
Yeah.
You absolutely. I mean, why do you think you're sitting in the seat that you're
Yes.
sitting in this day?
Don't play small.
We think that you've made it. That's why we invited you, so that you can give us some advice and talk us through it. And that workshop, absolutely fabulous.
All the
I'm
time.
I'm telling you,
Yeah.
I'm signing up. I'll drag Joe along.
Yeah. So listen, even if you don't want to be an influencer, can you still attend in terms of
You
people?
can.
Yeah, people that want to know more about building your brand. Because I
Ja,
do
dit
believe,
is eintlik
I
waaroor
don't
dit
regard
gaan.
myself as an
Yes,
influencer.
dit is
I
eintlik
don't-
waaroor dit gaan.
but I do believe I'm a brand. So I think that would also just be valuable in, getting some skills,
Yes.
getting some knowledge
Absolutely.
about the
Maar
Ja.
ek het reeds al gepraat met iemand in die PR-industrie en another person was willing to give an e-book as well as part of that. So ek gaan natuurlik soos 'n hele module opstel om jou, firstly, om jou media kit, and people don't know this, dat jy 'n media kit moet hê as 'n content creator. It's literally your online CV with your statistics, and they don't know your account must be a business account. Dis baie klein goedjies,
Ja.
maar dis hoe jy gaan begin.
So you
Okay.
can't do a young Gmail, emailing from a Gmail vibe. Is
Nee,
that
ek is
what
op
you
een Gmail
mean?
myself,
Okay,
maar-
okay.
Ja, so,
But I want to say, you've heard it here first.
Yes.
So Fem Frequency will be involved in this workshop somehow.
Yes.
ek
Yes.
dink regtig, want daar is so baie mense wat wil en net nie weet waar om te begin nie.
No, we're going to do
Definitely.
Ek
this.
gaan nie die meisie wees wat gaan gatekeep nie. Daar's genoeg space
Love
vir ons
it.
almal onder die son.
Absolutely.
Thanks,
I
Alicia.
absolutely love that because I also,
too.
it's something that I believe in. You
Yes.
know, I pride myself on being a sisterhood amplifier. So, not completely chucking the men out, but but I am a sisterhood amplifier, and I want to assist and help getting the ladies where they're supposed to be.
Klaar.
Yeah.
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 No, I love that. Like you rightfully said, there's enough space
Yeah,
for all of
absolutely,
us under the sun. You mentioned that it is so important to have an online CV. So please tell us some of the highlights of your I would
Career.
say, of your social creator.
It's been many.
Yeah, share with us.
Nou moet ek dink.
That
Your
many-
biggest wow.
That many-
Your biggest wow.
My wow was omdat ek dink dit is meer omdat ek nou deur my eie community en deur Parel gerecognize was basis, en dit was toe ons nou die met Drakensberg
Yeah.
die visit Paul
I saw
Ah,
that
yes.
one. I saw
Yes,
that
ek was
one.
soos
Yeah.
really me?
Why
So baie
not?
ander en ek is soos ek dink ek kan my sien. En when I didn't even have to submit, when I posted, they were like, ons is so bly ons het jou gevat. Cheryl het gesê, like, jy het letterlik alles gewys, so maklik,
Ja.
exactly soos jou familie is. Nie, dat dit nie soos 'n ad gelyk nie, jy het dit net geniet en jy het alles geshowcase. So dit was vir ons, vir my was dit definitief 'n highlight.
Ja.
En ook en dis miskien vir baie mense nie groot nie, maar my eerste radio interview, ek was so bang, maar ek het vir Don ook gesê, soos, ek kan nie altyd bid en vra die Here moet vir my deure oopmaak en dan is ek bang.
Yeah, I don't
wanna
do it, yeah.
Yeah, so I was like, my sê, asseblief, die nerves moet maar nou net, but it was nice, van so 'n conversation wat ons gehad het.
Exactly.
Ja.
En dis hoekom ek vandag ook so gemaklik voel, so hierdie is alles highlights wat ek afdik, dis alles
Ja.
vir my wow-punte.
And there'll be more.
There'll be more.
There'll be
Yes,
more.
yeah, we're putting it out there.
Yeah.
Yes, absoluut.
But give more detail about the partnership with the municipality and the tourism. Like, what exactly was it that you had to do?
I had to showcase, like it was a whole itinerary for the whole week. It was busy.
Yeah.
Yes, I was tired. Got op the Sunday, maar ons het dit gelaaf tot op die kinders. So for the Saturday, we booked in the Friday already. So then it was visit Wellington. Friday and Saturday was for Wellington. We checked into Val de Charon. We had dinner and everything. The next morning we went to Old Tannery. We had to do a leather workshop. We had the chocolate tasting. The kids made their own chocolates. We then went to some wine farm for lunch. So alles moes geshowcase
So
geword het.
exciting.
Dis middag toe check ons in die Parel by Boutique Hotel en ons is daar vanaf Dekkersvlei wat ek nie geweet het 3 minute 2 minute van my af is.
Yes.
The white pinotage.
So,
Ja.
Ek is soos Parel het sulke gems wat ons nie
Oh,
geweet het en
yes.
was vir my net nice om dit actually te kon showcase.
It's massive.
Ja, dit
Love
was
it for you.
Dit was 'n vol naweek, maar ons was so geseënd. Want ek joke altyd en sê ek my man, ons is 'n familie van 6, hierdie goed is nie.
Yes.
We get to go for free.
It is. I remember.
Kom ek sê dit voel nie soos werk nie.
Yeah, I remember when we had our third child. You always think that, you know what, the third one can't make such a difference. But before the third child, we could book 2 rooms at a
Yes.
hotel. And suddenly we
After
couldn't.
that, you
After
couldn't.
that, we had to book 3 rooms.
Makes a difference.
En ek kyk hier, met Tyrek, die eerste een, het ons oral gegaan. En dink ek, toe Touwa kom, het ons nie meer so baie uitgegaan nie, want toe begin het duur raak. En toe sit toe nog 2, so nou gaan ons, wanneer ons genooi word. But we
Fabulous.
still get to see everything.
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah.
Why
Ja,
not?
so, because ons is blessed. En dis hoekom ek sal almal aanmoedig om content creation te doen. Ek sê net altyd ek weet ek hou net nie van die woord influencer nie. Ek voel dit moet 'n besluit vanaf my audience wees. Het ek jou ge-influence?
Yes.
Was dit goed? Het ek jou geïnspireer? So ek is net die creator. Ek sit met my werk daar of my lewe daar and you decide whether I am an influencer or not.
I love that. I absolutely love that. But you are. For
I
some
think
of us, you
so.
are.
I
For some
think
of us,
so.
you are.
Definitely. Just, I think the way you do it and the integrity that you do it with, I would label it as influence.
En dis
Not
altyd
for
nice.
everybody, so that's what I'm
Dankie.
saying.
Ek weet ek post altyd op my WhatsApp meer as wat ek. Dis asof ek dis 'n hele ander community daar, 'n hele ander community op Instagram. So ek post nie altyd dieselfde goed. Maar baie keer is soos brands vir my feedback gee, self gesê dan post ek op my WhatsApp status en dis vir my altyd amazing. Van jy overthink so as jy soos is dit goed genoeg en dan kom 'n brand terug en hulle is soos ons love om met jou te werk. Dit
Ja.
is altyd so jou quality en die vinnighede
Ja.
maar en dit is honestly vir my nogal se post. Ek dink enige een sal
I think
voel
sometimes
en
you do something and you think it's not good enough. You think,
Dis
oh, I
altyd ek.
didn't give it 100%.
Yeah.
Maar dis
I was
hoekom
in a
ek sê-
rush. And then they come back and they say, oh, absolutely
Ja.
fantastic.
Dis hoekom mens moet net so overthink. Ek
Ja.
is een, ek is overthink.
Different perspective is
Ja, maar
needed.
mens moet nie so again back to TikTok. Very easy as is. I don't do a lot of editing there. Actually, nee, eintlik nie. Ek
Ja.
post as is. En dis die goed wat gewoonlik die meeste views kry, die meeste traction kry.
I do
People
think,
like real.
And I still,
Ja.
even in my normal, again, I tag the brands in my normal content. En dis nie 'n partnership of 'n paid ding of 'n trade of enige iets nie, maar I tag them. Hulle moet net weet van jou.
I do think TikTok might be the easiest way to get
Yes.
into it because it's
Yes.
so raw
Yeah.
and authentic.
Yes.
Yeah.
And once you've gained the confidence there, you can then move over to becoming a content creator because I do believe there's a difference between being an influencer, a content creator, and a TikToker.
I also feel
nooit
that
beskryf,
TikTok
maar ek
is so
voel ook
different.
Ek
Ja.
weet nie en ek wil dit nie eers sê nie van ek spreek myself verkeerd uit, maar daar's 'n groot
Yes.
difference.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Almal kan 'n phone hê en almal kan op TikTok wees, maar nie almal is 'n content creator
Yes.
nie.
Yes.
You know, en dis
Or an
altyd-
influencer.
Ja, en dis hoekom ek sê so baie van die TikTokers is groot followings. but vir wat 'n advantage maak jy en dit gaan nie altyd net daaroor nie, maar ek bedoel as jy kan, hoekom nie?
Ja.
So ek dink baie van hulle het hierdie groot following, maar hulle het nog nooit met 'n brand gewerk nie, dan weet nie hoe om 'n brief te execute nie.
Ja.
So dit die workshop moet ook eintlik net wees vir klein mense wat min following het. Dit is letterlik vir beginners, whether
Yes.
jy 300,000 of 1,000 followers het.
Ja.
Exactly, because
Ja.
you can have a million followers,
Ja.
but you've never worked with a brand.
Jy moet
Ja.
ook
Ja,
brand.
ja,
So dit
ja.
is, daar is 'n fyn lyn.
Oh my goodness,
It's a lot.
It's a lot, eh?
There's a lot of detail in
so
this.
much information.
Ja.
Narisha, is there something that you don't post about at all? Like there's just that
Ek post alles.
everything.
Ek het tot op ek het actually gister gedink, ek het nooit 'n update gegee oor die hair loss. Onthou ek het 'n tydjie terug gepost van hierdie bald patch, ek weet nie waarvan dit nou kom nie. And everyone was again, mense relate, maar dis iets wat miskien vir baie taboe is. So hulle gaan nie praat daaroor nie, hulle gaan nie vra daaroor nie, but they'll slide into the DMs and they'll ask asseblief as jy iets skryf wat werk, laat weet ons van dis hoe ons in lyk en ons
Ja,
met dit.
ja.
So ek het gedink miskien moet ek ietsie post because ek het nou ietsie gekry wat werk.
You
so
did.
ek hou dit
Post
aan my
about it.
community for
Yeah.
Yes.
You post
I post
everything.
alles.
Wow, nothing is off limits.
Ek post net nie oor my werkie, maar
Okay, so that's
Ja.
that's wow.
ek is baie trots om 'n nurse te wees, maar ek post nie daaroor nie.
Yeah.
Ek wil nooit hê hulle moet kan teruggaan en sê jy mag dit gedoen het of jy mag dit
Ja.
gedoen
Ja.
het.
Ja.
So that separately.
It's so weird because I have the same how can I say, my approach is the same. A lot of people are really surprised and they're like, oh, that's what you do on a daily basis. Like people don't know my other life, not that I lead a double life, but I don't post, I'm not an influencer, but I don't post about my work. It's not that there's a rule about it, but I don't know, it's something that I just don't post about.
Ja.
Yeah.
Ek verkies ook om daai heeltemal van socials af te hou. Like
Ja.
everyone know. I'm
Ja.
a nurse, maar
Ja.
ek post niks van my werkie.
Ja.
Ja, ek doen my vlog soms in my versklere.
Ja.
Maar dis soos as ek uit die werk het gekom het by die huis en dan doen ek dit vinnig, maar
It's not
niks
work
by die
related.
werkie.
Yeah. So interesting.
Dis lekker, dis baie nice om ook. En mense sê mos altyd, hulle kry so alles vir net en al die perks en goed, now they know.
I'm
It's
one
a
of
lot
those people,
work.
by the way. I'm
You
one of
work
those
for it. You
people.
actually work for
Yes,
it. Yeah.
I'm
yes.
people.
And I have to say, I am a sucker for a trade exchange. I absolutely love a trade exchange. In my previous life, I used to pay people with wine.
Oh.
So yeah, I love a trade exchange.
Maar
Yes.
trades is nice en
Ja.
meeste van die tyd is die expectation nie groot nie of hulle expect glad nie baie van jou nie. Hulle sal sê if you want to post then you can of mention it as jy dit gebruik. Maar as jy groot en ek dink dis hoekom ek sê begin daar by trades.
Okay.
Net om daai relationship met brands te begin.
Listen, I've learned so much today. Honestly,
Absolutely.
it's a lot of
That's
work.
fine.
Absolutely. So, Joe, the two of us must make sure that we're part of that workshop.
150%.
datum.
So,
Ja.
so we're going to have we're going to have a 6-month follow-up, so we can see how we grew in the 6 months.
Yes,
Ja,
yes.
ek gaan julle persoonlik coach onder my vlerk.
Oh, fantastic! I love that
We
for
got
us.
that on record.
It's on video, yes.
You are doing the things already.
I'm trying my best. I
so
find it
cool
very, I
things.
find
So
it
cute.
difficult. I, as I say, because you know what, my kids are not here, so there's
Do they
basically.
help
Can I give
with
you
the
another
recording?
tip? But can I
If
give
they
you another
were
tip?
here, they could, but
Yeah.
they're not here, which means that I've got to do most of it on my own.
Yeah.
Sometimes I impress
Maar,
myself.
ja.
Other days I just look at myself in the mirror and I think, girl, you have no idea what you're doing.
Moet nooit so dink.
Just do it.
Ek skiet genoeg van alles. En ek sukkel okay, my man, ek weet altyd dat jy verstaan nie die visie wat ek het nie. So ek sal nog vir hom exactly sê, kom staan hier waar ek staan. Jou die phone so wat ek wil daai angle hê.
Yes.
Dan is dit natuurlik nou so.
Okay, my husband's definitely not going to do this.
So ek kan ook nie blame shame dis nou nie sy veld nie. Tyriek is baie oulik, maar hy is ook nie altyd available nie. Natuurlik almal van ons het 'n stand, 'n tripod, maar ek gebruik dit eers en wat ek doen en ek vind dit nie meer weet nie. Mense kan maar vir my kyk in die winkels asof ek mal is, maar ek sit my foon in 'n yskas in 'n rak.
I've always wondered about that.
Die hele ek het amper hartaanval gehad Vrydag. Toe het ek ook die foon so neergesit met my Ackermans thingie, so eerds en so kom maar so 2 oudjies verby en hy wil so gaan en ek hardloop na my foon toe. So dit dis crazy, dis al die goed wat ons moet leer.
BTS.
Maar sit met jou foon enige plek. Different angles always.
So,
Keeps.
I mean, no shame to walk in a shop and just like, I
Dis
can't do it. I can't do it.
Niemand vind dit weet, honestly. So dit in die begin was dit altyd, ek was soms te bang om as ons uitgaan eet om 'n foto van my kos te vat, like, wat gaan die mense dink?
Yeah.
Maar dit is nie meer.
Now you're like full on angle. Sorry, can you change that light there for me?
En dan like, asseblief, die gram moet eers eet.
Yeah.
Narisha,
Yeah.
thank you so much for chatting to us today. We thoroughly enjoyed it.
Yeah.
I definitely enjoyed
Yeah.
it. And Joe and I are going to do our very best to become content creators or just being a bit more visible on the
Yeah.
socials.
Yeah.
But thank you so much for being here and for sharing with us. And we're going to hold you to what you said, that you're going to take us under your wing, and we're going to hold you to that workshop.
Okay. Die
Most-
spanning is maar, I promise. Ek het dit nou op kamera gesê.
Exactly.
Ek kan nie
No,
kop uittrek nie.
it's happening. It's recorded, and I think
Maar
just
dit is ons
to
eie mense, is why
Yeah.
not? I love this for us.
Thank you.
I
Thank you
love
so
it.
much.
And just to, I think, end it off, I think what I took from this conversation is that you can be an influencer, but you're not influential and you're not impactful. And what you brought out of this is that that's important. It's nice to see the fun and the frivolous side of it, but I think it's important to not forget about the impact, to not forget about resonating with people and inspiring people. So thank you for giving that, and thank you for sharing it on Fame Frequency.
Okay.